We have some news that we are really excited to share with you. It's something that we have been thinking about for some time, and I think we're ready to share.
Okay, but before we share it, I have to share an analogy.
Yes, we love analogies.
I do.
Yeah.
And so just follow me on this one. Imagine if you're a mom and you walk into a room full of strangers and you introduce yourself by saying your name and something about yourself that you really like or you really like to do. So in the case of me, it would be like, hi, I'm Kristen Smith and I really love to cook. Okay, all right, that's not entirely
Just kidding.
You can tell I don't like it.
I'm sorry, I'm just kidding.
So, again, I said imagine.
Yes,
imagine.
it'd be the same for me if I
It doesn't
said
have
that.
to be real. Just imagine. If you did that, then people would start asking you questions about your hobby of cooking, right? Yeah.
Like, what cookbook? Do you like to cook dinner or breakfast? Or
Do you cook once a week or
Yeah.
once a day or 3 meals? Or are you really good at French toast? What's your secret? Blah, blah, blah.
Healthy food or...
Yeah. And you'd spend all this time talking about it, and then, an hour goes by and you realize they don't really know anything about you. Like, they don't know that you're a toddler wrangler and a chauffeur.
Yeah, that's...
And a
I was gonna
maid.
say, or a taxi driver, but that's...
Yeah, well, yeah. Or a maid, or a laundress, or, I don't know, gardener.
Yeah, toy picker-upper.
Toy picker. What did you say, like a nap time whisperer or something?
Nap time
Right, there's just so many more things about you that the description you originally gave did not capture it. So it would have probably been better to use just a word that kind of captured all of you, like mom.
Ooh,
Hi, I'm Kristen Smith. I'm a mom,
like,
right?
You're the best of the best.
Yes, and I can do all the things.
Yes,
I'm not just
like
a one-trick
top
pony.
tier.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, if you've been following this analogy, then you will understand why our big news is such a big deal. So this little magic jar of powder right here, we named it 6 years ago.
Yes.
And we kind of did what the mom who walked in the room did when she said, hi, I'm so-and-so and I like to cook.
Yeah.
We named it BB Frösch Chalk Paint Powder, which is really great because it has all the great benefits of chalk paint. But we have spent the last 6 years describing all of the other stuff it can do because the name that we chose for it did not include all of the stuff.
Well, and we would get people like, because it's BB Frösch chalk paint powder. Oh, so it's chalkboard paint. Oh, it has a chalky finish. Or, oh, I don't like shabby chic. Or I only like shabby chic. And we're like, oh, there's so much more.
Or can you use it? Can you get a shiny finish? Can you add it to paint that is high gloss? Or even is it paint? That kind of thing. So we decided it is time for a name change. Yes, and we are so excited about it because no, we're not calling it BB Frösch Mom, but
That would be so good.
I know, right? The mom of the paint world.
Why didn't we do that?
That may have been more descriptive. Axel's pretty happy with the new name. We have chosen to call it BB Frösch Paint Transformer. Because after all, that's what BB Frösch does. It truly transforms your paint.
Yes.
So any brand, any color of regular latex or acrylic or water-based paint, it literally transforms it. And it doesn't just transform it into chalk paint. That is just one of the many, many things that it does. It is not, again, it is not just the premium alternative, the affordable alternative to chalk paint, but to any kind of mineral paint or any kind of all-in-one paint. And it still has all of the same features and benefits that our old powder, this one, again, same powder, different name, has all of the same formulation, it's the same powder, it's processed the same way, it just has a new name.
Exactly. And I love, you can still do all of our famous techniques. You can still get whatever look you want, whenever you want, however you want. Safe to do with kids, safe to do while pregnant. It's still the best of the best. Just a new name to help everybody understand
What it is.
Yeah.
So from here going forward, you will now be purchasing BB Frösch Paint Transformer again with all of the same features and benefits, and it may take us a little bit of time to transition into everything with all the new name and the photography and everything, but rest assured you're getting the same incredible quality, just with a slightly different twist on a name.
Yeah, perfect.